Hey everyone! Welcome back to Event Celebrations. Do you love the cozy fall season and Halloween decor as much as I do? Then stick around and subscribe. Let's create a stunning, spooky patio makeover together. One, warm fall lighting magic. Start with string lights and lanterns in amber tones. Add flickering candles or fairy lights to create a cozy, mysterious glow that feels both warm and slightly spooky at night. 2. Halloween-themed pillows and throws. Dress up your outdoor seating with orange, black, and plaid cushions. Add soft blankets with pumpkin or bat prints for that perfect fall comfort. 3. Pumpkin Paradise Corner. Place pumpkins of all sizes in baskets or wooden crates. Mix real and faux pumpkins. Paint some black or gold for a trendy Halloween twist. 4. Spooky yet stylish wreath. Hang a Halloween wreath made of dried leaves, twigs, and little spiders. It sets the mood the moment someone steps outside. 5. Fall florals and plants. Add pots of chrysanthemums, marigolds, or dried corn stalks. These autumn flowers bring rich colors that balance spooky decor with natural beauty. 6th Halloween lantern display. Line up metal or glass lanterns with LED candles near your seating area. Add cobwebs or small skulls inside for a touch of mystery. 7. Cozy fire pit setup. If you have space, light a fire pit. Surround it with comfy chairs and hot cocoa mugs. It becomes the heart of your Halloween patio nights. 8. Creepy pathway decor. Use glowing jack-o'-lanterns, solar lights, or fake ravens to decorate the path. It guides guests while creating a thrilling Halloween entrance. 9. Themed table setting. Add a small table with a dark tablecloth, candle holders, and mini pumpkins. Perfect for sipping cider or Halloween snacks outdoors. 10. Frightfully fun finishing touches. Hang ghost garlands, witch hats, or floating candles overhead. These little details tie everything together for a truly cozy yet spooky vibe. Final note, your patio is now ready for Halloween magic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more seasonal decor inspiration.